Well, that's up to you.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie and thank you so much for being here. As the title suggests, we're back here for more pins. So I went a little overboard with my box lunch and Loungefly and Hot Topic purchases, and now I have a bunch of mystery pins to unbox. So we're here, we're thriving, we're having a grand old time, and what we're doing today is Winnie the Pooh as little flowers. So spring is here and it has been raining the past couple days, so April showers brings May flowers. So I felt it was very on brand to open some flower pins. So I have 6 boxes to open today of the little Winnie the Pooh flower pins, and yeah, so I would be good. Eeyore's probably the one that I want. I absolutely love Eeyore, Pooh Bear, or Piglet. Those are probably, or I don't know, Kanga and Roo would be cute. All of them are adorable. So let's keep on, let's go on. So they retail for $9.90. $9.90. There's 1 pin per box. So let us go, let us open. Okay. And we're starting off with Kanga and Roo. These are really tiny pins, I'll be honest. That's crazy. Super cute though. You can see, like, look at how tiny it is. Like, it's not even the size of my thumb. Still super adorable. Little mushrooms. Cute, cute, cute. Next one. You can see Ethel's ear. Da 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 da. And we have Tigger. Little Miss Tigger. These are so vibrant. Oh, and he's got a little caterpillar on his tail. I love the mushroom detail. Super cute. Okay. Box number 3. Pooh Bear holding a little like flower pot. He's so cute. So adorable. Box number 3 or 4. Box number 4. We have Tigger, Kanga, and Pooh Bear at this point. Box number 4. Piglet! Ah, it's so stinking cute with all of the like little mushrooms. Oh, so tiny though. Like, look at that tiny. It's so tiny. It's cute, but tiny. Okay, 2 boxes to go. 2 boxes to go. Okay. Pooh Bear again. First duplicates. Okay, so we won't be able to get the whole collection. That's okay. Last box. And Piglet again. Okay. So I didn't get who I wanted, which is Eeyore, and we are missing Rabbit. Missing Rabbit and Eeyore. We have an extra Pooh Bear and an extra Piglet. So that being said, if you want to trade and you have either Eeyore or Piglet, no, I have Piglet, Eeyore or the Rabbit, and you want one of these 2, please message me on Instagram. I would love to trade with you. Otherwise, I also have other traders. But yeah, that was fun. These are so pretty. I love, it's like a muted, style of like, it's got like, I don't know, just very pastel-y kind of colors. So super cute. Glad I grabbed these, and yeah. Thank you so much for watching. If you are liking my content, please like, comment, or subscribe. I'd love to hear from you. Follow me on other socials. In my description box, I have other things, you know, featured, different things like that. So thank you so much for being here. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.